I'll be showing you the top comparison table apps for your Shopify store. Let's dive right into it here. The first one we're going to take a look at is called Bear Specification and Compare. And it makes it really easy to help your customers find the best product with specification and comparison tables. We can see an example here with two different cameras. This is going to be similar to something you'd get on a really big site such as Amazon that makes it really easy to compare different models. You can connect existing meta fields or create new attributes as well, and you can customize tables to match your brand's identity using a powerful editor. You can also translate specifications into multiple languages. In terms of pricing, it starts at $5.99 a month and goes up to $8.99 a month if you also want dynamic comparison and variant table comparison. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 29 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says it's a great app, and working with the developer, they implemented a feature they thought was a good idea with one of their questions, and after testing 4 other comparison apps, this was the only one that met their needs. The next app we're going to take a look at here is called Comparator Product Compare. And so customers can use the Product Compare page to compare up to 4 products at the same time, and it's online 2.0 compatible. So you can compare with variants, you can change custom positions, use similar products, and many more features. Overall has easy setup as well, and it makes it easy for customers to add different products to compare. You can put this button on the product page so customers can easily select them. You also get customizable text, and if we take a look at the comparison here, it makes it very easy to highlight the different differences between the products. In terms of pricing, it's free to start, where you get automatic setup and compare with product variants. Paid plans start at $4.99 and go up to $8.99 if you also want features such as compare with similar products, custom positioning, and design UI customization. And on the enterprise plan, you get product metafield support and product specifications, along with a few other features. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 15 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at one of the latest reviews here, the team did an amazing job at helping them configure the app and make some adjustments that worked ideally for their store. And they were amazed by the custom work that they were helped with. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where a sponsored profit calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to sync seamlessly and make it super easy for you to understand your store's performance. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of different analytics and metrics, letting you make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with different ad platforms such as Meta, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, and with tons of different cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping and ShipHero. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below too, and that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing page. You can also search for it on the Shopify App Store and look for this logo in the top left. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. Lastly, we have Comparable that lets you show key differences and save your customers time and help them buy faster. So it's going to allow for increased customer engagement with easy to use comparison tools to help customers make informed purchasing decisions. You can also boost sales by promoting high margin products and emphasize the unique strengths of each. And it's going to make your store a reliable source of product information. You can customize this with meta fields or use your own comparison options created within the app itself. In terms of pricing, it starts at $9 a month, going up to $15 a month. And with the standard plan, you get all the features, but it's limited, it looks like, to 5K products. So if you want more, you need the advanced plan. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with 12 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at one of the latest 5-star reviews here, and this merchant is selling electronic items where product specifications matter a lot. And they looked at 7 apps about product comparison, but 6 of them were only making basic comparisons, and this app did much more, allowing for custom fields. So this concludes the video here on the top comparison table apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.